In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to check and replace your vehicle's spark plug wires. Today's procedure will only cover regular spark plug wires and not coil-on plug ignition systems. Now, before you start this procedure, we recommend that you disconnect both the positive and negative terminals of your vehicle's battery for added safety. Each plug wire is connected to the spark plug through the face of the valve cover gasket and is also connected to the distributor or coil pack. You could either use a spark plug removal tool or your hands to disconnect the spark plug wires. Either way, make sure you have adequate access to the plug boot and make sure you grip it firmly and pull up to disconnect. You'll also need to disconnect the distributor or coil pack end of the connection. The first step to checking the wires is to check for any physical damage on both the connector ends and the wire insulation itself. The second step in testing your plug wires is to measure the resistance of each wire using a digital multimeter. Now, the recommended resistance values for the spark plug wires vary based on the vehicle and the manufacturer of the spark plug wires. So it's best to consult your vehicle's owner manual, service manual, or literature from the spark plug wire manufacturer. Turn your digital multimeter on and set it to measure resistance in the 20 kilo ohm range. Touch your multimeter probes together to make sure they have no inherent resistance. Now connect the multimeter probes to either end of the plug wire you're testing and observe the resistance reading on the multimeter. If this value is not in the recommended range, the plug wire is faulty and needs to be replaced. When replacing the plug wires, make sure to replace each old plug wire with a plug wire of the same length from the new set that you've purchased. Most new spark plug wire sets come with a small packet of dielectric grease. Apply a small amount of this to the metal connectors at both ends of the spark plug wire. Insert the spark plug wire boot into the engine and press down firmly to make sure it's connected to the spark plug. Now connect the other end to the distributor or coil pack. Now repeat this procedure for all the cylinders on your vehicle. Make sure to properly reconnect your battery terminals if you had disconnected them prior to starting this procedure, and this completes the installation of the spark plug wires on your vehicle. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.